Looking for a stylish stay in Asheville? Check this out. Modern rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows flood your space with light. Enjoy premium fixtures in the bathroom. Luxury meets functionality. Need to stay active? The fitness center is right downstairs. Private parking means no more hunting for a spot. Relax on the terrace, perfect for morning coffee or sunset views. Business or leisure? These rooms cater to every traveler's needs. Contemporary furnishings bring comfort and style to your stay. Natural lighting creates a welcoming, energizing atmosphere. Enjoy ergonomic outdoor seating for fresh air and city views. The bold blue arched mirror adds a unique decorative touch. Spacious layouts ensure you never feel cramped or crowded. Minutes from Biltmore Estate, explore Asheville's top attractions easily. Ready for an upscale experience? Book the Restoration Asheville now. Tap the link to check updated prices for 2025. Don't miss out. Secure your spot at Asheville's hottest hotel.